Another High Court has acquitted and discharged a 54-year-old man after spending 17 years in prison without trial. Jaba Donle was earlier declared mentally unfit to stand trial, but after nearly 2 decades, he's expected to be reunited with his family. Upper West Regional Correspondent Ibrahim Wangara has more in the following report.
54-year-old Jaba Donle spent nearly 2 decades in the dark corridors of the West Central prisons without trial for the alleged murder of his younger brother during his period of mental instability. He was placed under presidential pleasure, a sentence where he was to remain in custody until declared mentally fit to stand trial. Jaba Donle never got the opportunity to be tried. For 17 years, he remained in prison custody forgotten. Through the effort of ASP Majid Al-Hassan, he was acquitted and discharged by the court.
Answer patrol! One discharge!
Regional Commander of the West Central Prisons is Assistant Director of Prisons, Engineer James Meneyala.
We have been here for so many years under the category of presidential pleasure. It was my view that this gentleman ought not to rot in prison. That one of the 3 core values of prison service is humanity. We have humanity, vigilance and fortitude. These are 3 core values. We are all human beings. If you have a brush with the law, as a state and all of us, you should be treated as a human being. And this goes to show that all of us who are in this enterprise, the criminal justice delivery system, if we work a lot more collaboratively, then some of the inmates that don't need to be in custody will not be there.
But what does the discharge of Jaba mean, and on what legal parameters was he acquitted? Upper West Regional Director of Legal Aid Commission, lawyer Crispin Wuro say, provided some perspective.
Because he had been in here for the past 17 years, and when I inquired from the prison authorities, they could not immediately tell me the last time he was taken to court. They could not immediately tell me the records that were available, documentary records that were available for us to study and then be able to take up the matter from there.
A reminder, still watching News 360, our major news bulletin for the day. We've got to take a quick break now. We'll return with the very latest in the world of business.